Corey! She's over there.
She's friendly.
Mm-hmm.
I heard her over here. There's got to be a hole over here somewhere that they're passing through. I don't know where.
Oh, going down the river?
Somewhere there's supposed to be blocked off. This one's been broken for a while. No cow shouldn't have known.
Yeah.
Go out this way and walk along this fence all the way to the end of the neighbors. See if it's broken anywhere there.
Okay.
And look over there and see if you see any.
Yep.
Look out, I'll meet you back around this way.
Okay.
Meet you over there.
Yeah. We're looking for a Brahman Heifer that Corey just bought last Saturday, 2 days ago, at the auction. She's beautiful creamish white color. But she was mooing the whole time, obviously for her mother, and now we can't find her. We put her out in Corey put her out in the pasture this morning. This area has been notorious for the pigs getting out, and because this is one of the further sides towards another farm over here, and they've got cows and pasture as well. So I'm just going out here, following the fence line. Eventually lead me way over there to the river, but the river's real low, so they could pretty easily cross the river and go to a different farm, which the one over there, depending on how far they go down, there's a watermelon farm, and that's the one we definitely don't want them to go down because they use pesticides that have killed cows here on this farm. Oh, I think I hear her. We're getting towards the fence line over here. And I swear I just heard her. Yep. I'm gonna run back and see if I can catch Corey before he goes into the same woods as me. Because we'll just follow this trail. But I want to get him because she's in the pasture of the neighbor's farm. So we'll have to go and get her. Corey! She's over there, like straight this way. In the neighbor's farm. Yep. Just kind of like a little diagonal a bit. Like you can hear as soon as I like got halfway through the woods.
Look at that stuff, homeboy.
Yeah. Sounds like her, but yeah, it's probably not. So I heard two. Two sound the same. We're seeing if we can get her without a rope first and then take her through the gate, but we'll see where she goes. That's the small one right there.
Wait right there?
Yep. She's going with them.
We're gonna need to go get a rope.
Yeah. All right. What she think? One of those is her mama, probably?
Yeah,
Or
now
she-
she's with them all, she's gonna run around all crazy. Come on, girl!
Oh, we're back with ropes. I'm gonna have to put this video away. Nice. Just real calm and gentle.
Let me see the end of that rope, the other end. Can you just hold this?
Yep.
All right, hold this one.
That dog's still over here. Neighbor's dog.
We'll figure it out. Oh, he's marking his spot. Go home. Right, la casa. Vaya.
Come on, girl.
She's friendly.
Mm-hmm. It's all good, girl. She's got some sticks and thorns. There you go, girl. Half of them.
Yeah, you're showing who's boss again. Good. That's the one that got fucked up in her hair.
Mm. Oh yeah, her horn's all bloody.
Oh, girls. Go up here.
Bunch of cat's claws back here.
Oh yeah, we gotta cut all of this. I wish I had 2 weed whackers, bud.
Yeah.
I'm gonna buy another one. And you can't take the tractor here.
Yeah.
1 weed whacker. I don't know. Do it fast, but you have to be careful. Let's go down that way.
Okay.
Hoping that other group of cows is right down here.
Okay.
Hoping we're gonna find out.
Yeah.
Here. The other ones, the cows with the warts.
Oh yeah.
Alright, oh, it's alright. More. There's in the corner. That a good cow. I was worried for a second, like, oh, what?
Yeah.
We're gonna have to go jungle hunting.
Oh yeah, there's in that back corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least 6 of them over there.
See, they separate themselves. Which is good. There's a couple in this group that need to be with them. I've separated them before, but they always come back. Good! We do a lot of work back here.
Yeah.
I do a lot of work up here too. So this is all easier work because it's a tractor can cut it. Back there, I know the sides there. That's all cat claws too back there. That whole road is getting lost again. There's a road, you know, there's a road back there.
Mm-hmm. I think my first equipment purchase might actually just be a lawnmower. I'd rather just spend the money to get a 0-turn because a regular mower is going to cost $1,500 to $2,000 in Costa Rica anyways.
Maybe a tractor like that one for $5,000.
Okay. We could. How much mowing do you do in the rainy season?
Fuck, we can do a lot of mowing, can't we?
Yeah. I'm just thinking of like the soil. Like it'd be
We
a
would do
lot.
less mowing if we just tilled this field up. Till all these weeds and get them, and kill them all up by the roots and kill a lot of them.
I'm just thinking I could spend all afternoon on a mower. I don't really want to weed all afternoon, you know, like extra time I'll spend.
I know, man, but it's hard.
I buy a mower, I just sit on that all day and go everywhere.
It's gotta rain, it's so humid. Go!
Do they allow mowers to drive to town?
I don't know.
Put a, okay, in Ohio at least, you can put a triangle on the back of your tractor and everything, and that's a farm vehicle, not. The lawnmower literally would be a farm vehicle.
Yeah.
I need to look and see if they allow just drive around farm vehicles.
Are we going to open a second gate?
Yep. The warty one's looking better too. And that bull calf wasn't with his mama. Where's his mama?
He's in the front.
Oh, okay. It's good he's getting more independent, I guess.
33.
This is probably the second best pasture, right?
Yeah.
As far as what they eat.
Right now, the front two is good, and that back one's really nice. The grass there is just lots of weeds. If it's left alone as it is, a lot of grass is down there.
Yeah. Okay. What you doing, girl? Well, I was weed whacking for a bit, but now I'm non-tire. Let her go out to the pasture. We wanted her to get used to the rope more. I'm not sure. I don't doubt Corey will ever put her on the halter. There, girl, it's all good. She's real friendly. Have you ever had a Brahman this friendly?
Mm-hmm.
It's all good.
Like a bull and
There you go. Was she in that pasture last night?
No, over here.
Oh, okay.
All around you.
I see.
Wherever she wants.
I was wondering how she got from all the way over there to...
There's a hole over here somewhere.
Oh, okay.
Let me see.
I hear some thunder off in the distance.
Mm-hmm. Coming. It's nice, hot, and still.
Mm-hmm.